Welcome to the Silicon Blueprint, a visual taxonomy mapping over 90 pioneers and the architecture of modern technology. This video explores the founders, frameworks, and foundational layers that built the digital age. Modern technology is a planetary scale machine built on the shoulders of giants. We use the innovation stack model, which categorizes pioneers by the technological layer they built, from foundational hardware to applications and the AI frontier. The foundation is silicon and circuits, driven by the Moore's Law engine. Pioneers like Konrad Zuse, Alan Turing, and Gordon Moore established the pre-1970s base and inflection point, enabling the exponential processing density for new software eras. The PC era focused on interfaces and operating systems, transitioning to consumer-facing digital workspaces. Key figures include Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak of Apple, Bill Gates and Paul Allen of Microsoft, and pioneers of Unix. Web 1.0 introduced protocols, search, and the first marketplaces. Vint Cerf and Robert Kahn pioneered networking and communication. Founders like Larry Page, Sergey Brin, and Jeff Bezos established the key pillars of search and e-commerce. Technology evolved through three major paradigm shifts: the PC era, the web mobile era, and the cloud AI era. These shifts transformed the defining interfaces, core infrastructure, and primary business models. The mobile and social explosion was powered by the mobile OS base, including iOS and Android. Networks, visual media, and messaging platforms emerged, led by pioneers like Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook and Kevin Systrom of Instagram. The sharing economy created liquid supply and demand through algorithmic matchmaking. Pioneers like the founders of Airbnb, Uber, and DoorDash leveraged mobile technology to bypass traditional infrastructure and build global service empires. The technology landscape saw two main growth playbooks: consumer virality, driven by viral network effects and ad revenue, and enterprise SaaS, based on cloud integration and recurring subscription revenue. The infrastructure layer focuses on cloud, big data, and hardware. The hyperscalers, AWS, GCP, and Azure, host the cloud. Data miners like Palantir and the Compute Engine, driven by NVIDIA's GPUs, form the core. The perimeter layer addresses cybersecurity and privacy. This ecosystem includes antivirus pioneers like John McAfee and Eugene Kaspersky, alongside network defense and offensive security charters, protecting the central data core. The frontier is defined by the AI lineage. Deep learning, pioneered by figures like Yann LeCun and Geoffrey Hinton, is the base. This progressed to artificial narrow intelligence and today's focus on large language models and AGI. Deep tech is about escaping the screen. Key areas include biotech and healthcare with gene editing technology, space and robotics, and quantum physics, with pioneers pushing beyond traditional digital boundaries. Digital economies encompass Web3, gaming, and the metaverse. This includes leading crypto pioneers like Satoshi Nakamoto and Vitalik Buterin, alongside gaming giants like Valve and Epic Games, and VR pioneers. The modern world is a planetary machine, an interdependent stack. From the semiconductor base to the AI and deep tech layer, no single founder built it alone. They built the layers of a single, expanding blueprint.